everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share how I make paneer butter masala in instant pot very easily every time in instant pot. So I keep the instant pot in saute mode for 10 minutes and then I add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I am adding the cashew nut on separate side and the chopped onions on the other side. Once the cashew nuts are roasted nicely, I am going to mix the onions and cashew nuts together. Let the onions be sauteed nicely until brown color. Now it's the time to add the tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook some time. Once they are cooked nicely, now it's the time to add all the masala ingredients: salt, turmeric, dhania jeera powder, chili powder, and again cook it for just 3 minutes in saute mode. While I cut the paneer pieces into small and soaked in the hot water for 30 minutes so that it will become so soft. Again I keep the instant pot in saute mode for 10 minutes and I am adding the butter here and then add the paneer pieces, and now I grinded the mixture of onion and tomato. I am mixing with the paneer pieces. Let the paneer pieces cook in this mixture for some more time. You can also adjust the salt and chili powder at this point of time. If you want, you can also add the heavy whipping cream at this point of time, and kids will love to have this one. Healthy and tasty paneer butter masala is ready to serve.